Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the first GPU task provided by the NVIDIA as part of the certification. In this task, the already task ready to launch. I have to complete this exercise within 1 hour 39 minutes, right? So what this task tells you, this task is related to the image classification using a convolution neural network. So in this task, you have to identify whether the dog image is for the Louis dog. The Louis dog is the one dog. Name of the dog is the Louis. So you have to identify whether this dog is Louis or not. That's the classification, whether it's a Louis dog or not. So for that, we required a data set and we required a network. So we required some platform to train the model and test the model. So this framework will provide a dataset called images of Bagel. The dataset name is images of Bagel. It consists 8 labeled data for the Louis dog and where 8 labeled data for the other dogs. And here we are, this is about the dataset, and here we are using the AlexNet CNN architecture for this image classification to classify whether the dog is Louis or not. And the platform which we are using here, it is a Digits platform provided by NVIDIA. The Digits platform framework will help you to import the architecture, to import the dataset, and to tune your hyperparameters. Everything, complete deep learning framework will be available. So you can use that Digits platform to do this image classification. So for that, you have to click on the launch task. And your Jupyter notebook will open. Launch task. Once you click on the launch task, Jupyter notebook will be open. So in this page, you can see what to do and everything is visible here. Okay. So you have to click on Open Digits. So it will open digits. Meanwhile, you can read this document and perform in the digits. So what they mentioned here, do those things in the digits platform. So this is one of the like a tutorial. This is like a tutorial for you and implement it in the digits framework. Hope you understand, right? Okay. So once you click on Open Digits, then you are able to see the screen. So now what you have to do is first go to Images, and we are doing the image classification. Click on Classification and give any username, your choice. So I want to give VV Ramna with small letters, lowercase. So give any username, VV Ramna. And as I already told, so we are using the images of Bagels dataset. Images of Bagels dataset, which contains a total 16 samples, 16 images. Out of 16 images, 8 images related to the Louis dog images, and whereas remaining 8 images are some other dog. So you have to select the dataset images of the Bagels, and so here initially you set training epochs, you know, right? Training epochs means how many times you want to train the model on this image of Vegas dataset, the number of epochs you want to train the model. So for this case I am using the 2. I will change later. And solver type stochastic gradient descent optimizer, and here you can see here I want to, you can use some standard networks. I want to use the AlexNet. So this is a CNN architecture. So AlexNet is a CNN architecture. I want, so as see, if you want to build a deep learning model, so you require a data set, that is the image of Bagels. You require the architecture, CNN architecture. So that is the AlexNet I have chosen. And here you have to give the model name. So here you have to give some model name. So I want to use, as per the instructions, I want to use Louis classifier, or you can use any other model name also. Okay. So I want to use this Louis classifier model name. So give the model name as a Louis classifier. Okay. So once you give the Louis classifier and create, click on create. Now it starts training. There are 2 epochs, right? So training CAF model is completed, job status is done. So image subbag is loading of data set also completed. So training also completed here. So then what you have to do now, you have to test for your um, uh, now we will pass. So training is completed for the two epochs. Training was completed. Now what you have to do is so you can see here. You can see here that training is completed here. It starts initialized at 447. So this is the GPU timings where it is hosted. So my current time is at 10:19, but this is at 447 where it is hosted. So training was completed within 13 seconds because I am using only two epochs. So once the training is completed, now what you have to do is test it. So for testing, you have to go here. And they give some image path. So copy and paste this path. Copy this path, and so this is the for the Louis. This image is related to the Louis dog. So just paste here and click on classify one. Right. So what the accuracy is showing, Louis classifier, our model. So it is showing that this image is not Louis 50% and Louis 40%. It is a 50-50. But as a human, suppose if we think it is a Louis image, then definitely we can say that if we already see this image, it's a Louis image, then we can 100% accurate, yes, it's a Louis or not. But it is showing as a 50-50 accuracy. So to improve the accuracy, we will discuss what to do. What to do then? So here all the things are completed. Okay. Now it's better to increase your um, epochs. Increase your epochs. So set the number of epochs as 100. So what to do here is, so it's classified or it's close. Now go to digits again and Louis classifier. Click on Louis classifier. Just a minute. Yeah. Con model and yeah. Click on this model and click on clone job. So clone job means we are taking the clone of already built model. Just we are taking the clone of already built model. So these are the instances we have created previously. Now what I want to do is I want to keep 100 epochs here. So I want to use 100 epochs here. Okay. Now I don't want to change anything. Okay. Now create. Now it will run for the 100 epochs. Now it will run for the 100 epochs. Train the CAF model. So it was initialized here. 2 epochs completed. 8 completed. 15 epochs completed. 16 epochs completed. 18 epochs completed. 19 completed. So we have to wait. This is the performance curve. So the learning rate is a constant learning rate. I think I will let you know at the time of hyperparameter tuning how we can schedule the learning rate. It is how the loss function is varying with respect to the iterations. loss and accuracy with respect to the iterations. Yeah. Learning rate is so already we discussed in the optimization methods. As the training work progresses, your weight updation will come in bottom of your convex function. So at the initial stage of your training, you require a larger step length. As it reaches to the bottom part of your convex function, you need to reduce your step size. If you want to reduce the step size, you want to reduce your learning rate. That's what happening here. See, this data set contains the 16 images. Out of 16, 8 images are beagles and 8 images of 8 images of Louis dog and 8 images of other dogs. And the image size is 256 by 256. If you observe, AlexNet also take the input shape of 256 by 256, and training was completed. You can see training was done, it's completed, and you can see 100 epochs here. Now what we do? We can test for the we can test now. The training is over. Now we have to test. Now, yeah. So I have created some other model. Okay. We have to actually I give the same Louis classifier name, but for you it's better to use Louis classifier after 100 epochs because this model after 100 epochs, right? So you have to mention that one. But what I'm doing is just I'm replacing with 2 epochs model with 100 epochs model. So so now I want to test this contains the Louis dog image. Now in this path you have to paste the path in this box and you have to classify. So you must now accuracy must improve because you are increasing the number of epochs, right? So definitely your accuracy will improve. See, it is a 99.3% that Louis dog, not Louis the 0.7%. So this is how the number of epochs will improve the performance of your model. Hope you understand, right? Yep. We hit 100%. We are getting 99.3%. So that is depending upon our initial weights and everything. So we choose an image for a Louis dog, and we will try for the one image for the not Louis dog whether it is classifying properly or not. We will check. And here in the classify image, test a single image, control V, and classify one. So actually this image is a not Louis dog. It's not a Louis dog. So we'll see. So how it will be. See, not Louis 96.2% probability percentage, and Louis is a 3.8. So now my model is working fine, right? So what next? Yeah, it's completed. Yeah, congratulations if you completed up to here. So then it's very good. Now you can stop everything. So you can stop this one also and go up, and this also completed. You can close. Now you can stop the task. That means your first task is completed. Your first task is completed, right? So what you understand from this task? So in this task we are going to classify the images of Louis dog, whether the dog image is related to the Louis or not, So by using a images of bagels dataset containing the 16 images, out of 16 images, 8 images are related for a Louis dog, and whereas remaining 8 images for the non-Louis dog. And I'm using the AlexNet dataset, AlexNet architecture, CNN architecture as a CNN model to classify these images of Louis, right? So initially I have trained with the 2 epochs. I'm getting around 50% accuracy. So now to improve the accuracy, I'm increasing the number of epochs to 100 epochs, and I rerun it. Now I got an accuracy nearly 100%. So hope you understand the first task of GPU. So now we will work on the next task.